Hi, this is Attorney Mike Grevlin coming to you today from beautiful northern Michigan, and today we're going to take a look at another horrible court appearance, this one involving a sovereign citizen tactic, and that's good stuff. Let's do it. Well, we have a long tradition of making fun of horrible court appearances here at Law Talk, and today is going to be something special. This is my first foray into the sovereign citizen community. They don't say it explicitly, but the setup for the video is that they're using sovereign citizen tactics. So that forced me to look up the sovereign citizen movement, and I determined that it's basically people who think that the law does not apply to them. Of course, it's an overgeneralization, but that's that's basically what we have. And this clip is kind of fun because it shows what happens when people who think the law does not apply to them go to court.
Keisha Johnson. Keisha Johnson. Come on up here, ma'am.
Well, here we go. Start with a bang. She refuses to step up to the podium. That's just standard operating procedure. The judge is just asking that she do what everybody else does who's making an appearance in court. And it's kind of frustrating because, among other things, you can't hear her, which is annoying. But this is how we start.
Stand here?
No, you got to come stand at this podium.
I get.
No, ma'am, you have to come up here. We can't.
The laws of the state of Kentucky.
Oh, yes. As in like laws, etc.
Come up here and stand at this podium. I have to get you on the record so that we can see you with your argument.
Okay. Well, so on the record, I reserve my right to talk caution and thing.
You want me to bring her up here?
No. All right, and now, do you have a lawyer?
No.
It looks like somebody named Klein.
You guys appointed it to me?
No, nobody appointed it to you.
Nope, nobody appointed Clang. If someone was going to appoint Clang, it's me, and I didn't.
Klein was somebody who, let me look at this, Miss Johnson. No, I don't think so. Let me look. Dale Warren was once your lawyer. You know Dale Warren?
Is no longer.
Okay.
Came in earlier and wanted to be his name stricken from that record.
All right. So you want to represent yourself. Is that true, Miss Johnson?
Actually, I wanted to know what law you guys operate in court.
Okay. Well, Miss Johnson, I really don't want to create some big scene.
Okay, well,
Hang on for a second. I do not want to lock you up, but I may very well have to. I need for you to come up here and stand at this podium. No, you cannot. No, you cannot. You have to come up here and stand at this podium.
Well, this is the frustrating part. I can't hear what she requested, but I'm sure it was outrageous.
okay, can you put it on the record that I'm reserving my rights as I cross this bit?
Yes. What, Miss Johnson? I need to know what you're doing, Miss Johnson. I need you to stand at this podium. All right. Next up, Chris.
Show me the law. Show me the law. This is my property. Show me the law.
All right.
Show me the law.
Chris?
Show me the law.
Chris?
Show me the law.
Go ahead and lock her up. Go ahead and take her into custody.
I like this judge already. He's just not even emotional about it. He's just like, okay, you got to go.
What are you doing? There's no right. You have no right.
Just sit over there. Nothing's going to happen.
I mean, anybody have no right. What is this for? Are you guys watching this? Under the Constitution, you have no right. No right for that.
Yeah, I'm not finished with her yet.
What are her charges? I'm sorry, she's not. Like her, I've been abusing her. No, I know.
All right.
What are her charges? I'm sorry.
Come up here and stand at this podium, Miss Johnson.
I really like this. What am I charged with? Well, I'm trying to have an arraignment and read your charges to you. That's precisely what we're here for.
I'm sitting here because I'm an inspector of common law.
Okay.
And
So you're refusing to come here and stand in front of the bench. Is that true?
no, I reserve my rights, correct?
And that's fine, but come up here and stand at this podium. All right, first I want to talk about you and your case. All right, so you are charged with...
Another deputy up here to help.
my panic button doesn't work there, by the way. Anyway, you're charged with possession of marijuana, tampering with physical evidence, and possession of drug paraphernalia.
I don't understand that.
All right. Well, you're charged with illegally possessing marijuana.
Yes, I can.
You are charged with tampering with physical evidence and possession of drug paraphernalia.
I don't understand that.
Oh, I love this. Brilliant legal defense. I don't understand that. And the judge, you know, he's not having it. He basically gives her, I can tell it to you, but I can't understand it for you.
Well, there's not a whole lot more. There's not a whole lot more I can do to try to explain to you.
Okay, let's start here. Can you guys prove jurisdiction? Prove jurisdiction, because I come in under common law. Prove your jurisdiction, that you have jurisdiction over me. Prove jurisdiction. A court cannot proceed until you guys prove jurisdiction. Show me your jurisdiction. Show me your law.
Okay, so for the first brilliant argument here is that the judge does not have jurisdiction. No basis for this claim, just the bald-faced claim that the judge somehow does not have jurisdiction.
All right. All of our laws are codified in the Kentucky Revised Statute.
Show me jurisdiction. Show me the law.
Hey, there you go.
Okay, that doesn't prove that you have jurisdiction.
Okay, so what else? Now, there's a simple way for me to prove jurisdiction to you, and that would be for me to ask the deputy to take you into custody. I have absolute confidence that I have jurisdiction.
I have formal charges, like you take me.
You do have formal charges.
Formal charges would be a complaint against me and another individual.
Oh, here's brilliant argument number 2. You have to bring charges against 2 people. No, you don't.
Mm-hmm. No, it doesn't have. I don't need another individual.
That's a citation, correct?
Okay.
That's not formal
All right.
charges.
All right. So, what do you want to do about your case today?
Prove jurisdiction to me.
I don't have to prove jurisdiction
Yes,
to you.
do. In
All
law,
right.
it
I'm going to
says
prove
that-
jurisdiction to you right now. I'm going to ask the deputy to go ahead and take you into custody.
I love it. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe, or the dogs get it.
Charges.
Under
what charges?
You are disrupting my court. I don't know where these people are.
Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
I don't know.
Stop resisting. Now come on up.
All right, we're going to pass her case to tomorrow.
Pretty much every one of these arguments puts me in mind of the old Monty Python Dead Parrot sketch.
It's a Norwegian blue. What's wrong with it?
I'll tell you what's wrong with it. It's dead. That's what's wrong with it.
No, it's resting. Look.
Well, that was kind of fun, and it results in just what you'd expect. Through that, it's hard because the audio, she won't cooperate, so she's not up at the podium most of the time. You can't hear her arguments, but I think I discerned 3 arguments. Number 1, I'm not going to stand at the podium. Number 2, you're not a proper judge with jurisdiction. And number 3, I don't understand, therefore you can't charge me. And of course, those are all just horrible, horrible arguments. And you know, the judge had enough and put them in the lockup until they figured out that they have to at least cooperate with the proceeding.
Here at Law Talk, we do a lot of videos answering common legal questions. We also do reviews of law in the movies and then on TV. We also share some of our more interesting cases. We're always putting out new videos. So if you like that, please hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell.